In our last episode, we learned what is market index, what is Nifty 50, which companies are part of Nifty 50 index. But do you know there are more than 60 other indices on National Stock Exchange? Hello, welcome to Concept Bug episode number 4. In today's video, we will learn what are the different types of Nifty indices on National Stock Exchange. We generally hear about Nifty 50 index, but there are 66 other indices on National Stock Exchange. There are 5 major types of indices that are managed and operated by NSE. These are a broad market indices, sectoral indices, strategy indices, thematic indices, and fixed income indices. Starting with the first type, broad market indices. Now, what are these broad market indices? These indices include the large liquid stocks listed on NSE. Now, these indices does not include stocks which are sector specific. These are a broad market indices, and any listed company on NSE can enter into these indices if they satisfy the criteria set by the National Stock Exchange. Now, these are used as a benchmark to measure the performance of any stock or a investment portfolios such as mutual fund investments. To understand this, let's take an example. If you invested in Infosys at a share price of 1000 rupees and you hold those shares for 1 year, and after 1 year the share price goes up to 1100 rupees and you decide to sell those shares. Now, how much profit or return you have earned on that investment? The answer is 100 rupees. Now, it is 10% of your original investment of 1000 rupees. That means that you have earned 10% return on your investment. Now, the question is, have you earned a good return on your investment? To know that, you have to compare your returns with some other form of investment. Now, you can compare that with gold, but that would not be a fair comparison because gold is a commodity and generally gold and equities perform in opposite directions. Now, is there any fair benchmark that you can use to compare your returns? Yes, there is. Here you can use the market index as a benchmark to compare your returns. And generally, Nifty 50 is used as a benchmark to compare the returns on investment in equity. Now, coming back to our example, when you invested in Infosys at 1000 rupees, consider that Nifty 50 index was at 10,000 points, and after 1 year, when you sold the shares of Infosys, the Nifty 50 index went up to 10,500 points. Now, how much Nifty 50 index has increased in that 1 year? 500 points. 500 points is 5% of 10,000 points, which was original level at the starting of the year. So the Nifty 50 index has given a 5% return in that year and you have earned 10% interest. Now you can say that I have earned a good return because in comparison with your return of 10%, Nifty 50 index has just given a return of 5%. Similarly, if you are invested in a mutual fund, you can compare those returns with the Nifty 50 index unless and until the mutual fund you have invested is a index mutual fund. Now, here you can see the list of broad market indices. These include Nifty 50, Nifty Next 50, Nifty 100, Nifty 200, Nifty 500, Nifty Midcap 150, Nifty Midcap 50, Nifty Midcap 100, Nifty Small Cap 100, Nifty Small Cap 250, Nifty Small Cap 50, Nifty Small Cap 100, Nifty Large Mid Cap 250, Nifty Mid Small Cap 400, and the last one is Nifty VIX Index. Now, moving on to the second type of indices, sectoral indices. These indices include companies from a specific sector of a economy. These include Nifty Auto, Nifty Bank, Nifty Financial Services, Nifty FMCG, Nifty IT, Nifty Media, Nifty Metal, Nifty Pharma, Nifty Private Banks, Nifty PSU Bank, and Nifty Realty. The third type of index is thematic indices. These indices include companies based on a theme. These include Nifty Aditya Birla Group, Nifty Commodities, Nifty CPSE, Nifty Energy, Nifty India Consumption, Nifty Infrastructure, Nifty Mahindra Group, Nifty MNC, Nifty PSE, Nifty Service Sector, Nifty Tata Group 25% cap, Nifty 100 Liquid 15, Nifty Mid Cap Liquid 15, Nifty 50 Sharia, Nifty Sharia 25, Nifty 500 Sharia. The fourth type of index is strategy indices. These indices include companies based on an investment strategy and which includes Nifty 100 equal weights, Nifty 100 low volatility 30, Nifty 50 arbitrage, Nifty 50 futures, Nifty 50 futures TR, Nifty alpha 50, Nifty dividend opportunity 50, Nifty high beta 50, Nifty low volatility 50, Nifty 50 dividend points, Nifty 100 quality 30, Nifty 50 value 20, Nifty growth sector 15, Nifty 50 PR 1x inverse, Nifty 50 PR 2x leverage, Nifty 50 TR 2x leverage, Nifty 50 TR 1x inverse. The fifth and the final index is fixed income indices. These indices include fixed income assets such as government securities, T-bills, corporate bonds of different credit rating categories, commercial papers, certificates of deposits, and overnight rates. And this includes Nifty 8 to 13 years G-Sec, which is government securities, Nifty 10-year benchmark G-Sec, Nifty 10-year benchmark G-Sec clean price, Nifty 4 to 8 years G-Sec, Nifty 11 to 15 year G-Sec, Nifty 15 years and above G-Sec, Nifty composite G-Sec, Nifty one-day rate index. I hope you have learned what are the different types of indices, Nifty indices on NSE. And if you find this video interesting, share this video on your Facebook, WhatsApp, any other social media that you use. That way you're not only helping me, you're helping your friends and family. You're making them financially literate. That way you're doing something good. If you're new to the stock markets and investing, I would recommend you opening your Demat and trading account with Zerodha. Zerodha is India's leading discount broker with state-of-the-art setups for investing and trading. There is a link in the description. Click on the link and you will be directed to the account opening page where you can easily open your Demat and trading account with Zerodha online. I try to create simple videos with decent quality. If you like these videos, let me know in the comments, and if you want more videos from me, consider subscribing my channel. That's it for today. It is always great to learn something new. So keep learning. Bye bye.